In this daily drop, we're going to talk about the daily drop. So let's go. All right, it's Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. And if by any chance any of you might have seen an episode of the daily drop today already, well, that will be tomorrow's episode, making a couple of little tweaks to it, nothing major, and that will drop on the 12th. So here we are, and I just wanted to take this time, middle of the week, and with many episodes under my belt, to get a little bit of feedback from you. See, the whole idea of the daily drop is what really the C47 is all about anyway. The goal is always education. So I'm going to continue to scratch that creative itch that I have, and there's no promises in terms of the exact type of content that I'm going to create. That said, I'd really love to hear from you to find out what types of content that I've been putting up are the most valuable to you. What content are you getting the most out of? I know that if I post a video about a particular camera or an updated phone or something like that, that the views are going to go up. I'm not great at thumbnails or clickbait or any of that kind of stuff, though for some reason the Bye Bye FX30 title seemed to get more views than a lot of the videos, and it was not intended as clickbait. It was just a loaner camera that I was sending back, which I like very much. But it's the other content. What content besides a new camera or a camera feature that I'm posting is interesting to you? I know that there is going to be stuff in the future like I did having to do with tools that you might use or small pieces of grip on set, but is it lighting stuff that you're more interested in, or is it the tech side of how things work, or the craft? This is really a production and a production to post focused channel. It's not about post-production, but I just want to find out from you what stuff is the most valuable. What are you watching and learning things from that you can actually go out in the real world and use? Because that's the whole purpose of the channel and the daily series. So if you wouldn't mind, put some comments below about the stuff that you do really like, the types of content that you like, maybe the types of content you'd like to see. I can't promise that's the content I'm going to create, but I'm really interested in that kind of stuff. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.